Nikki here, and this vlog will be sponsored by Ishow Hair. So let's go. I love this wig. So low maintenance. It's very extremely long. That's where it sits on me right there. I just absolutely love it. Low maintenance. I ain't put nothing in it. I might have to later, but I didn't right now. And yeah, that's what you have. So I will leave the link below to Ishow Hair, the direct link to this wig, their website, a discount code, other options to pick from. They have everything on there: long, short, straight, curly, body wave, everything. And do not forget to check out the quad pay option so you can split your wig up into 4 payments. Okay, save them coins. Well, you're not really saving, but hey, y'all get what I'm saying. So like I said, I will leave the link to Ishow Hair below. Let's move into the vlog.